How to make a group presentation. In this video, we will show you how to give a good group presentation. Do you remember the 3 tips? Number 1, keep it simple with font, size, and color. Number 2, voice. Make sure to be loud and clear. Remove your mask and speak only in English. And number 3, practice, practice, and practice again, even in front of your pets if you want. When you're presenting, remember members 1, 2, and 3 of your group will be speaking while members 4 will control the slides on their phone. For example, you will give your idea, questions, and results. You will also need to share your presentation with the group members. Just in case one person is sick from school. You are now ready for your presentation. Have fun!